what does it mean to move the world inside us?
Well, it is inside us. We're not moving it there. Let's put it this way. If you think of the world as being physical objects and all of that separated in space and time, if you think that that's what life is made of, you being positioned physically in a geographical location and all that stuff, and hard objects and strong, highly delineated separations, then you're not going to be able to put the world in your heart without tearing your heart apart with the first, trying to get the first building in. What it means is that it's a question about what is the world really. The world is made out of relationship. Our experience of life is made out of an emotive sensation that connects us to others, and everything is made only, and the things that we see. There is nothing that we look at that isn't in fact in us, exists only as an emotion, an attitude, and an intention. Everything we see evokes, it's not that it evokes it, that is what it is. The object isn't there first, and then there is the attitude. The heart is there first, and it projects this as though it were out in the world because of our sensation of disconnection from things. We don't see how our attitude and our heart is our life. So the world is already inside of us, and we have connection to everything in the world. It already is in us. And fundamentally, it means that the way that we emote and feel about the things the connection that we have in our heart to the things that we think we're seeing, that is the world.